You guys, I made a video previously and I talked about the new tax rule that is going to start from the 1st of January 2026, which is just when I'm making this video, I don't know when I'll be posting this video. It's just a few days time to 2026 January. So it's going to take effect in January 1st. As you're saying, Happy New Year, it has already started. So as a business owner, this one is for us. And as a freelancer, this one is also for us. So I advise you to watch this video to the end. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section. If it's possible for you to get a note and write it down so you don't forget, because I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to navigate or how to make a clear description for your business this 2026, because we don't want problem. And as a freelancer, we receive money from outside Nigeria, within Nigeria. So going forward, bank transfers are no longer just transfers, because a lot of us just use narrations, very vague narrations, to do our transfers. Your narration can determine whether your money is treated as a taxable income or a loan or even a gift or personal funds. For freelancers like you and I, or business owners like you and I, this directly affects our tax audits, account freezes, and even our peace of mind. So this can affect freelancers. Number one, every inflow can look like an income. Please try to distinguish it. If your client does not know or live in Nigeria, inform them. If your client pays you and the narration is vague, like transfer, tax, payment, and things like that, just know that that is an income and is going to be treated as an income. So tax authorities may assume it is a business income, even if it's just a refund, a loan, or just something as family support. They will take it as an income. So inform them. Even your family, let them know that they should use better narrations for any money that is entering into your account, like payment for graphic design in November, refund of project expenses that you did in October, personal loan for family to support you guys for the month of November, things like that. So the second on my list is higher chances of tax queries. As freelancers, we often receive money from different clients. FIRS may flag your accounts. They may possibly freeze your account. You may be asked to explain your past transfers, your future transfers, and every money that comes into your account. You could be taxed on money that wasn't even an income. If you're a project manager and you're just a freelance project manager and money was sent into your account without a proper narration, it could just look like an income. So the third one is your proof becomes your responsibility. Nobody's going to do that for you. Every narration that comes into your account is going to be your invoice, so treat it very well. If audited, you will need a clear narration, invoice, or a chat agreement. If you don't have an invoice, a chat agreement stating so and so, a payment reference. You can go and check your bank statements. A no narration means weak explanation. So we are done talking about the freelancers. Now this one is for the small business owners and how it can affect us business owners. So the first is customer payments must be properly labeled. If customers pay you with narrations like transfer, order, or even something as payments, those ones are vague. It becomes really harder to reconcile sales, defend income versus capital, prove refunds or deposits. So the best way you can do this is always instruct your customers. I myself have already drafted a note to inform my customers to please use narrations. So you can just simply use something like, from what as a business owner, what I sell, you can just inform your customers to use payment for hair butters. I sell hair butters. I can easily let them know payment for hair butters. Please write it as a narration. If you sell wigs, let them write payment for wigs. Some of them will easily forget. So it is left for you to create a draft that has your account name, your business name, the narration you want them to put. So all narrations will equate, because you let them know any money that comes into your account without the proper narration, that money is gone, because you're going to be paying money on that task. You're going to be paying tax on that money. And where are you going to get that money from? So anybody that sends you money without a proper narration, that money is gone. No product, no money for that person. So I would advise you to write all of this down so they know and they will be careful when they are making payments. So the second one is capital sales. This one involves you putting money into your business because your banks will not get that for you. So personal savings, investor fund, partner contribution, as a business owner, all of these things are necessary. If the narration is unclear, it may be treated as a sales income. So you have to use a correct narration. This one is not for your customers, it is your own, let's say your own transaction. So if you can easily write owner capital injection, business funding, personal savings transfer, production, money for production of goods, savings for production of goods. This really matters because it will help to distinguish which money is yours and which money is for your business. So the next now is for those business owners that take loans constantly. So loans and refund must be clearly stated if you are a business owner. So receiving of a loan, payback loan, issue refund to customer, all of these are wrong narrations and they can cause tax confusion. So I'm going to be giving you an example. If you're receiving loan, you let them know to write loan received by so and so ventures. If you're repaying loan, you write loan repayment for the month of so and so months. If it's a customer refund for an order they paid for and they want their money back, you write customer refund for order blah 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 blah. That is really clear and you'll not be taxed for any of this. So the next one is the risk involved. If you have ignored or you ignore every of these things I have said as a freelancer or a small business owner by doing poor narration or encouraging poor narration, it can lead to backdated tax assessments, account review or temporary freezing of your account, stress during audits, loss of credibility with bank. All of these things are going to affect you. Imagine if you don't have any cash and you depend on the money in your account, it's going to really affect you. And this is very risky, especially if your account has a high volume inflow. I would not even want you to experience that because it can drain somebody mentally. So I'm going to be giving you an example. If you're a social media manager, you should easily write social media management for the month of January 2026. The next one is to separate your personal accounts from your business accounts. I'm sorry guys, if you're hearing any noise from outside, just know it's something I cannot control. So as a freelancer, every inflow must be clearly described to avoid wrong taxation in order for you to not to be overbilled. And as a business owner, a small business owner, customer payments, capitals, loans must be properly labeled. This one is for you to avoid all this fear that we're going through. Since we heard about this tax, we have been scared about how this is going to affect us. So narrations now act as tax evidence. And this one, there's a risk. So vague narrations can lead to tax issues. Avoid it at all costs. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. If you get value in this video, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any more questions, let me also know in the comment section. If you have anything to add, let me know in the comment section, and everybody can even benefit from it. If I see that what you have added is good enough, I will pin your comment. So you guys, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell by the side, so whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. And while you are doing that, please give this video a thumbs up because it means the world to me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.